Enough, you say you're leaving. I never thought we'd tire of this love. Always thought this would be easy, and what we had would always be enough. If it's gonna end in heartache, it makes you wonder what we're trying for. Why we gotta learn the hard way, 'cause we don't wanna do this anymore. I say left, you say right, it goes wrong. I can't speak, I feel weak, but I stay strong. I say day, you say night. Thought you'd be around forever. Thought you'd be around. I thought you'd be around forever. I thought you'd be around. I thought you'd be around forever. I thought you'd be around. I thought you'd be around forever. I thought you'd be around. I guess nothing can last forever. Maybe I fool myself with you. Part of me, it might feel better if we keep on doing what we do. Well, everything goes through stages. That's just something we can't ever avoid. Why we trying to ride these changes, just so we can block out all the noise. I say left, you say right, it goes wrong. I can't speak, I feel weak, but I stay strong. I say day, you say night. I thought you'd be around. I thought you'd be around.